So, why take your baby to an osteopath? Did you know that osteopathy can actually offer gentle, effective support for your baby, especially after birth? So, whether your baby had a natural delivery or a more complex birth, osteopathy can actually help release physical tension caused during pregnancy or delivery. This hands on, non invasive therapy may lead to better sleep, reduced fussiness, improved digestion, and more. So, common issues with osteopathy may help with, colic, reflux, as well as constipation, flat head syndrome, latching or feeding difficulties, sleep and breathing issues, fussiness and excessive crying, and it's also beneficial for babies who experienced a difficult birth, including forceps or C-section deliveries. Now, other potential benefits include boosted circulation and nervous system function, support for early motor development, as well as lower risk of recurrent ear as well as sinus infections. Now, preventing long-term development issues is another issue and another thing that osteopathy can actually help with. And best of all, osteopathy for babies is not only gentle, safe, as well as relaxing, but actually many parents notice their baby sleeps better after a session. So if you're curious about osteopathy and how this could help your baby, always consult with a qualified pediatric osteopath. For more mama tips, please like, subscribe, as well as share. Thanks so much.